This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Rosie Shetley. Experience unparalleled elegance and comfort in this meticulously maintained home, built in 2022, and located in the exclusive Watergrass community. This residence offers a bright, airy, and open floor plan, perfect for modern living. Featuring 3 spacious bedrooms and a versatile flex/bonus room that could easily be turned into a 4th bedroom, this energy-efficient home is designed with high-end finishes and practical features throughout. Equipped with noise-reducing spray foam insulation and meeting or exceeding the EPA's indoor airPLUS standards, this home ensures optimal air quality with MERV 13 filters to reduce bacteria, pet dander, and some viral particles. Additional energy-efficient features include low E windows, sealed air-conditioned ducts, and an air-conditioned attic. The beautifully landscaped front yard is complemented by a zoned irrigation system, keeping the exterior lush and well-maintained, and a holiday light outlet upgrade for the exterior. The home features elegant luxury vinyl plank flooring extending throughout the home. There's no carpet to worry about. The chef's kitchen is a true standout, boasting upgraded granite white sparkle countertops, shaker-style cabinets with glass inserts, a stainless steel hood vent, and all KitchenAid appliances, including a built-in oven and microwave. The large 9-foot island provides ample storage and seating for 4. Additional kitchen features include slide-out cabinet drawers, stacked cabinets that reach the ceiling, and under-cabinet lighting. The spacious great room offers plenty of room for entertaining and relaxation, with recessed lighting and a brilliant smart hub switch for easy control of lighting. Smart switches are also located in the garage entry and primary bedroom closet, all integrated into the same app for added convenience. The private primary suite, located at the rear of the home, serves as a peaceful retreat with a luxurious ensuite bathroom. The frameless glass shower and upgraded wall tiles in the secondary bathrooms offer a spa-like experience. The primary closet features a built-in organization system, complete with a built-in laundry hamper for added convenience. Electrical outlets are also included in the primary closet and primary toilet room. Step outside to the panoramic, screened-in patio, perfect for relaxing and entertaining while enjoying peaceful views of the pond. The home is also equipped with an upgraded garage pre-wired for an electric car charger and external cameras on the patio and driveway for added security. Additional features include high doors, 5-inch baseboards, filtering gutters, laundry room cabinets, a wall-mounted TV outlet in the living room, a keypad deadbolt on the front door, and garage digital keypad lock. Watergrass is a master-planned community offering a variety of amenities.